use your mind to come up with fantastic scenes. You can tell a tale that is about anything. You can dream of new worlds you can explore.
Major Tom of the Space Force, report. General, I've just returned from Hawaii. And what did you find there?
Well, he's funny and yellow, he's got sharp little teeth, 2 eyes, 2 ears, claws, and 4 arms coming out of his tummy.
What about the reports of the aliens' powers?
It was getting there, sir. His tummy is silky like a stuffed animal, and his nose is triangular.
Major powers! Sir, he can crawl like a spider and stick on the walls, so people are scared of the little cuddly-wuddly. Well, is that all?
He lives by himself in a palm tree by a volcano on the beach because he's afraid that he's a bad alien.
Well, is he?
He doesn't want to destroy things, even though he sometimes does.
So did you capture him?
No! I taught him meditation by the ocean. It relaxes him enough so that he can control his powers.
Good work, Major Tom. We've made Hawaii great again.
Something